Right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete API that you'd already bind in ApolloBot, and also I'm going to show you how to bind ApolloBot with Binance. It is easy, simple, secure, and safe. Watch this video as I show you how you can do that. Now, if you have created an account, log into your account and go to API. And also, if you don't have an account, find the link under this video description, create an account and start trading with ApolloBot at free of charge, no subscription fee. If you don't know how to create an account, find the videos that I have pinned in the comment section of this video. Now, to delete already existing API, like I have bind Binance and I want to delete it, it is very simple. Now, to delete it, you'll click on it, then you sweep it on to your left. Then now this delete button will appear. Click on the delete, then click confirm. Now, once you've clicked on it and you can see it is saying bind. Now we can refresh it by going back here. Now when you click on API, we shall see that we don't have yes. It is now very clean. We can now start binding our Binance with ApolloBot. Now to bind, come and click on bind. Then here you can see it will need this area. So watch me here step by step as I take you through all this. Now we go back to our Binance. From Binance here, you click on this Binance icon on your top left hand corner, tap on it once. Then from here, click on this more. Now when you click on the more services, scroll up until you see API management. Now from here, we shall click on API management. And on this interface, there is create API and delete all API. So now to bind ApolloBot with Binance, we have to click on create API. Then from here, we leave it in system generated. We don't tap on self generated, just leave it in system generated. Then click on next. From next here you can name it any name you want to name. Like me, I'm going to name it ApolloBot. Then after I click on next. Now after this, I have to verify it. So to verify, now I have to go to my email registered with this Binance. Now this is it already sent. From here, I click on his, copy it. Then I go back to Binance. I enter it here. Then it is automatically submitted. Now after this, it is showing me that API key created. Now here, scroll it a bit, then click on this edit button. Click on edit button, then click on this drop down arrow you're seeing. After clicking on the drop down arrow, you can see now here we have to start with secret key, long press and copy. Why do we start with secret key? It is because if we don't start with it, sometimes it can be hidden. Remember, it is for your safety and don't share it with anyone. Now here we come back to our ApolloBot, then click on secret key box and paste. Then we go back to Binance to copy API key, and this is our API key, copy. Just copy it once, then we go back to ApolloBot, then we tap on API key, click on paste. Now after all this, we have to copy our trusted only API, this one here, this code here. Come and click on copy, and here it is saying copy successfully. Now we go back to Binance here. Then from here we scroll it up, then we click on restricted access to trusted IPs only. So we tap on this, then we copy, then we paste, we long press it so that we paste the right thing and paste. Then now after pasting, remember before you paste, you can see that all these other things are blocked. You cannot select anyone except only this one, which is not good. Don't tamper with them. Now after you pasting your trusted IPs only, click on confirm. Now when you tap on confirm, you can realize that these boxes have been opened for you. Now from here, we have to tick this one here, enable spot and margin trading. Then we click on enable features only. Don't tamper with any other thing. From that, now we have to scroll down. Then we click on save. Save. Meaning we have already copied our API key and secret key. Now here also I have to verify. Me, I have set 2 verifications in my Binance, email address and phone number. Now I have to start with email. And this is it. This is a new verification code, long press. copy, then I come back to Binance and paste it here. This is automatic. After pasting, it is going to submit. Now I have to verify also phone number. Then I click on get code. I select, do I want it through WhatsApp or SMS? Here they are saying recommended it's WhatsApp, but me I want SMS. So now after I click on copy, then I tap on this box, then I paste it, and it is already submitted. Now my things all are done, and here you can see edit API success. So it has already saved. Now we are not done with our things. We have to go back to our Apollo bot. Now from Apollo bot here we have to click on import. Tap on import only once, and here it is importing, and boom, already my binding is done. Now for that, I have to click on API to see if it is already bind, and see my binding is done. Now for that, I'll come back to my Binance, then I close this one. If I tap on API management, I'm going to see that my Apollo bot API key is also added, and you can see this is Apollo and this is Royal Q. Now if I want to delete, I will just click on delete from this button here. Then I go to my Apollo bot and I do as I have shown you. So guys, that is all. Now start trading with Apollo bot.